everyone, I hope you all are fine. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, we are going to start the study of the new unit of the second book, that is the redox reaction. So a little bit introduction I had given about the redox reaction in 10th standard, but here in detail we will study about the redox reaction. So let us start to understand what is the redox reaction. So you see here what I have written, a type of reaction in which oxidation as well as reduction takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. Here you must know that simultaneously both the process should take place, either the oxidation or the reduction. Okay, so let us start to understand what is oxidation. So here I have written there few points. Oxidation means the addition of oxygen, or you can say the removal of hydrogen, or you can say the last term which I have written, the increase in the oxidation number. So we will discuss about the oxidation number in detail, how to find out in the next session. Okay, so now let us see about what is reduction. Reduction is addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, or the decrease in the oxidation number. Okay, just opposite of the oxidation process, that is the reduction. Okay, so here I am writing here the one example for you. Suppose this is a very simple equation, ZNO plus C, and this is forming Zn plus CO. Okay, so here you can see these two are the reactant. If we will observe that in ZNO, oxygen is moving away from the zinc. Okay, so here the reduction is taking place. Okay, because oxygen is moving away from the ZNO, so here that is the reduction, and the oxygen is going to be added with this carbon, so we have to call it here the oxidation is taking place. So both the process, reduction and the oxidation, are taking place simultaneously, so that is the redox reaction. So most of the reactions are redox reaction, that we must know that, but still few exceptions are there, few reactions are not redox, we will discuss later on. So here the next thing which we will discuss, that is the oxidizing agent. So here you have to understand, a substance which supplies oxygen or any other electronegative element, or removes hydrogen or any other electropositive element. Most probably we see the reaction in terms of oxygen or hydrogen only, but we can see there in terms of electropositive or electronegative elements also. So here you have to understand, oxidizing agent that supplies oxygen or removes the hydrogen, or otherwise you can say that provides any electronegative element also. So that substances are to be oxidizing agent, and here you have to understand every oxidizing agent that provide oxygen for the oxidation but it reduces itself. Okay, so here I have written there the point, they reduce itself. Okay, now so you see here few reactions I have written, S plus O2, that is forming SO2. So here oxidizing agent will be, that is O2. Now in this case H2S plus Cl2, and that is forming HCl2S. So here what is the oxidizing agent? That H2S. Okay, H2S, if we will see that oxidation state -2 to 0. So here that is going to be, here the oxidation is taking place, and chlorine, that is going to be 0 to -1. So it is reducing itself. So here the oxidizing agent will be of chlorine. Okay, so that you have to know that. Now because it is going to reduce itself, here the nitric acid, that will act as oxidizing agent because it provides oxygen for the oxidation. So let us talk about the reducing agent, that we have to call them, these are reductant, and oxidizing agents are to be known as oxidant. Okay, so a reducing agent or reductant is a substance which supplies hydrogen or any other electropositive element, or removes oxygen or any other electronegative element. Okay, here you have to understand, they oxidize itself. So you see here I have written few equations that will help you to understand. FeO plus CO, that is forming Fe plus CO2. So here what will be the reducing agent here? carbon monoxide, that will act as reducing agent. Guys, so here this portion will act as reducing agent. Okay, I hope you all have got it properly. That's all for today's session.